What's up, guys? So I'm here again with Ali Pearl, and it's the same packaging as usual. I got everything in a drawstring bag, and as you can see, it's branded Ali Pearl. And first thing I felt is the wig. Let's see what else I got in today's package. I got a branded elastic band. It says Ali Pearl, and this is their edge melt band. So you know that's always convenient to have. This is some wig caps, a pair of wig caps. I have another Ali Pearl head like scarf here, and lastly I got an edge brush and comb and a pair of lashes branded Ali Pearl. That's everything that came in the package. This is a U-part wig. I've never installed a U-part wig before. The closest I got to this was like a V-part, right? Where you don't need any leave out. So yeah, this is actually a kinky straight. As you can see, this looks and feels so healthy. So healthy. I'm super excited. I'm gonna give this a nice bone straight vibe. So it's of a natural color, as you guys can see, and as I said, it's 22 inches long and it's 180% in density. Let's get closer. So this is how the inside looks. On the side here, it has combs to help it be secured once you install it to your like braids. It has a total of 5 combs at the opening there. Inside around the back has adjustable bands, and that's how it looks. It's a nice solid construction, and yeah, I'm gonna jump right on into installing this. So let's go. Okay guys, so I left a leave out of my natural hair right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of snap open the clip portions here and kind of just stick them into my braids. It's quite simple, quite, you know, easy. So I'm just sticking the combs on the inside into my braids as well, right? So that's what we have so far. Now this is my natural hair. It's my natural hair, right? And guys, this is the first time I'm doing this, as you know. Never done this before, right? So it went on and it's pretty flat. It feels good. This is how it looks on me. Definitely looks like my natural hair. So go ahead. Well, you know what? I should actually straighten this first before I blend my hair with it, because I'm gonna actually add heat to that portion of my hair today. You know, stepping outside of my comfort zone. So I'm gonna do one section at a time. I'm just gonna run through this really nicely and quickly with my flat iron.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you
at this. This looks so good. So good. And this is matching my natural hair perfectly, and I haven't blended it as it. I just know. I know. This looks good. So I'm gonna do the next side and then I'm gonna come right back.
Higher, higher. Every little thing you do.
I am all done with, you know, straightening the hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair and blend with this wig. So I'm doing like a little bit of I'm doing a side part. So I'm actually just going to, you know, run my flat iron through my natural hair. So that I went ahead and I just passed the flat iron through my hair once. Since this hair is more kinky straight, it's not like bone straight vibes, I didn't want to go ahead and do like get my natural hair like super bone straight. So this is laying pretty flat and I'm happy with that. I'm just using my hot comb here to kind of lay it down a little bit more. It concealed really nicely. Let me know what you guys think. Like, it really concealed it nicely. I am pleased. This is another first for you guys because, you know, I've never done a U-part. The first time I ever like did something similar to this was the other day when I did tapings, meaning that I left my hair out along with the extension. So yeah, this is how it looks. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is great for, you know, that person that's not looking to deal with the lace, you know, all that lace work, and you kind of still want to be able to take off the wig at the end of the day and it can go back on easily and you don't mind having a leave out. That's what a U part is really good for. This is very natural looking. No one would know that this is not your real hair. Looks like a fresh blowout. So yeah, I'm going to be sure to put the link to this wig down below in my description box, so please go ahead and check it out. I also put the direct link to this wig where you can purchase it, and all the specifications will be listed. Yes, a shout out to Ali Pearl here for taking me outside my comfort zone. Have me try this U part. It's super different. Yeah, so this is it, guys. This is it for today's wig look. I just keep on giving you guys the variety and I love that for me. I hope you guys are enjoying that. Let me know if you are. It's so much hair. Like, look at that. Look at that. And I feel like you could go ahead and put some curls in this as well if you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.
Tell me, hold me, take me higher.